Hello and welcome to another episode of Baking with Me in my kitchen space. In today's episode, let's make some pumpkin cake, and I'm sure you're going to love this recipe. So from this corner, I have some salt, I have some butter or margarine, I have some pumpkin puree, and this puree I've made in my previous or next episode, so be sure to check it out. I have my self-raising flour, but if at all you do not have the self-raising flour, you can use all-purpose flour and add some baking powder. I have some vegetable oil. This is some cinnamon spice. I have 2 eggs. This is some sugar, and this is my vanilla essence. And without further ado, let's get started. I'll start off by mixing my wet ingredients first, then I'll go in with my dry ingredients. But before we get started, my oven is preheating at 160 degrees.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah.
It's such a tender cake. Wow. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. This tastes so good. Mm. Wow. Mm. Mm. I love this one. Mm. 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 This tastes so good. You should definitely try out this recipe. And as you've seen, for those who do not take pumpkins, I hope you're going to give it a try and make this keki ya malenge. You can also call it pumpkin cake. And this is my recipe, and I hope you're going to give it a try, and I hope you're going to like it because this cake is so yummy. Wow. That's it from my side. I hope to see you in my next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll definitely see you again. Bye.